On May the 10th, I'm holding a one-day ceremony on Earth Wisdom Teachings. It's called the Cave of the Ancients. We're going to be learning about creating sacred space, both in the unseen realm of consciousness and thought, and in the world of form. And this is so powerful to create sacred space because it enables us to drop deep inside ourselves, to connect with our depths, and to connect with the great mystery. So powerful. And the form is going to be, we're going to be building a medicine wheel, this ancient symbol of wholeness, so that we can find more of our own wholeness, more of our beauty, our power, and connect with the wholeness in life and bring healing and wholeness to the human realm. We're going to be working with 4 goddesses: earth, air, fire, and water. We're going to be connecting with those goddesses, or personas if you like, and activating those energies in ourselves to bring ourselves into balance, to receive inspiration. This is going to be a powerful and beautiful ceremony. Please come along if you can. You're more than welcome. It's also an introduction to a longer training journey in Earth Wisdom Teachings starting in the autumn. I'll be making some more videos about that. The Cave of the Ancients, May the 10th. Thank you.